my channel. Today's video I'm going to do another crochet video. So today I'm gonna be using Tress Braids. So I'll be using number 2 and number 1 in the so the length is 20. You can see, I don't know, you can see it, 20. So I'm gonna be using these braids today. Oh, so it's getting dark. So I'm gonna be using these braids for crochet today. And my hair, my sister did my cornrows. If you can't do your own cornrows, just look for someone to do your cornrows. And I'm just gonna do my edges and start the crochet braids. So yeah. Also, I'm using the Shan, this one, edges. So guys, I already used 2 packs of this hair, and now I'm gonna be using the 3rd pack. So this hair, you just have to know how you can make it stay longer on your hair, on your head. Like if you want it for 3 weeks or 4 weeks, you make sure that when you hook it, you hook and lock the hook, and you need to lock it like 4 times. 4 times is the best technique for your hair to last long, and it won't come out. For 4 times is the good one, and you can be doing this over and over again. So I'll show you again here. So then here you will do the same thing 4 times. You're gonna be locking it 4 times. So yeah, I hope you find this very helpful and easy to do, because it looks easy for me. So that's how you can do it, and keep doing the same thing like that until the end. From the beginning to the end, I was just doing this one, the same thing, like hooking and doing it, like locking it 4 times. So that's a good method to do this hair if you really want it to last for a few times, because I really want it to last for at least 3 weeks with me before I change another star. So yes guys, I think you find it more easier if you watch this video like a few couple of times. So then you'll be able to do this video. It's just easy doing the same thing over and over again. So yes guys, thank you very much for your support, and if you're new, just subscribe so you can come to the family, girl, so you can support your girl for what she's doing. Tell me on the comment section what you want me to do and what you think I should improve for what I'm doing. Thank you very much guys. God bless you for all you're doing for me. Yeah, so just keep doing the same thing until the end, and it's depend what you want to do. Like if you want to do your part at the side or in the middle, it's depend on what you want. But me, I decided to put my side in my line on the side, so that's why you can see what I'm doing. So yeah, it's cool. Yeah, thank you very much. So now I'll let you watch, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you guys, keep watching. Yeah, thanks. After this, you need a moisturizer to moisturize this hair. So you need a mousse just to make it look more beautiful and shine. So and you need a scissors just to cut the end of the hair. So yes girl, that's what you need for this. And yeah, and keep watching till the end of the video. Thank you. Hi guys, thank you very much for your support. So this is the final look. I hope you found it helpful and you like it. If you're new, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Just turn on the bell for notification, and I'll see you on my next video. Keep watching, and I love you guys. Bisous.